Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change home screen mode setting in Oppo K10 phone. Guys, you want to change your home screen mode, so you can change it. In this video guys, I will show you how to change it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you something. If you're new in my channel and you are watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start the video. First of all, open your phone setting to change it guys. Then guys, you can see home screen and lock screen setting. Click here. Let's click on first one, home screen mode. So we will change into a standard mode. So and guys, apply, switch. Then guys, home screen mode will change guys. You can see guys, now we cannot scroll it, and guys, every app is here. So I hope friends you have understood how to change home screen mode in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet the next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.